Welcome to the Storytelling and Science Writing module. My name is Chris Greyson-Gaito and I will be your facilitator. I am a former writing sport teaching assistant at the University of Guelph and I have mentored students through their writing process in all disciplines. Currently, I am a researcher who uses mathematical modelling to explore food webs and ecological economics. In this module, we will explore how to incorporate story and narrative into your scientific writing. I hope by the end of this module you will understand that scientific writing can be engaging and fun. We will go through 3 techniques from this TV and script writing industry that will help you write engaging scientific articles and theses. First, we will use the and, but, therefore structure to write in an engaging manner. Next, we will create log lines to identify the single problem of your paper. And finally, we will explore storyboarding to help structure your paper. I hope you enjoy this module. Thank you.